Welcome everybody to Mark Bayerski YouTube channel. Today's special offer. Yay! Get ready for it. It's a good one. So let me get this right in my head. The normal price is £324. But today you're going to get all of this, including free DHL worldwide delivery for 140. There's only a few kits, so enjoy it. Welcome to today. This is what you're going to get. You're going to get this. It's so big for 140. Come on, look. Wow. So first of all, you're going to get, oh, God knows how many. One, two, you'll know, but there's a full load of sage. Like, how many is there? 2, 4, 6, I don't know, 12, something like that. There's loads. So all the sage you need for this year, and all of these as well. Some sticky sages too. Lovely. Then you're going to get 3 lots of course, cleansing negative energy incense sticks. There you go. The most powerful energy cleansing sticks in the world. But not only that, you're going to get a beautiful Tektite. Wow, this is great. This is a polished one. So it's going to be whatever I go down and pick out for you at, around about €100 for one of those crystals. So, yeah, all of that. Fantastic. I think that's pretty good. So I hope you are one of the lucky 4. I think we've got four of them available at that price because it's less, it's much less than cost. So I hope you appreciate it. It's fantastic. It's a great, I mean, I think this is probably, like, thinking about it, this is probably the best kit we've done because this is more important than anything. You've got your Tektite, which is absorbing negative energy all day long when you're wearing it. Wear it down by your belly. You've got the cleansing negative energy sticks, which you only need to use one stick just for 3 minutes. They'll last you, they will last you for ages, all over your body for 3 minutes. Fantastic when you go out. When you come back in, same again. You've got these sticks you can use around your body anytime, and for doing all the house, you've got all of those. It's the best kit. I would say this is the best kit we've done, especially at that price. There's nobody can compete with that. Nobody. So enjoy it. So I think we've got 4 kits, so they might sell pretty quick, but hey, who knows? Your name might be on it. Have a great day. One link below.